Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you if you want to send WhatsApp messages to your customers who have purchased anything from your website and have selected the COD as payment method, then you want to send order placed message to your those customers, then how you can send it using WhatsApp API automatically. I hope you have seen my previous video how to integrate your WhatsApp API with your Shopify website. So if you have not, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the WhatsApp API playlist, right? So I am into my Interact account, as you can see, and here we are into the campaign section, and here we have clicked on new campaign, and we are going to select the order placed using COD, right? So we are just simply scrolling down, order placed Shopify, COD and prepaid. Two options are coming over there, right? Now as we are going to select the order placed Shopify using COD payment method, so we are going to create campaign for that. So we have selected this, and as you can see, use this sample, and here all details have been already pre-filled, right? This is because we have integrated our WhatsApp API with our Shopify store in our previous videos, so that's why it is automatically filled. We need not to change anything, right? If we have made any changes, then might be this campaign would not get triggered, or might be some like missing details would be there, so you need not to change anything, right? Click on save. Okay, here is the triggering event. It is also set up successfully. We just need to click on go live and our campaign will automatically gets created. If you have created an account on Interact, then it's good. If you have not, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned the sign up link of Interact. Use that particular link to create an account on Interact. You will automatically receive some bonus credits in your Interact account that you can use for sending marketing messages to your customers. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.